Hello, today we're going to make toffee popcorn cookies. So follow me through step by step and I'll show you how to make them. So to make your toffee popcorn cookies, you're going to need 225 grams of soft butter, 250 grams of demerara sugar, 1 large egg, 300 grams of self-raising flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder and 100 grams of toffee popcorn. So we're going to add the butter and the sugar in together and give those a mix. I'm going to add the egg and then we're going to start adding the flour, and the baking powder's already in there. We're going to add half of the popcorn in now, and we're going to save the other half for when we start putting it onto the tray. So now we've got all our mixture combined, we're going to roll them into balls and pop them onto the baking tray. Once they're all on the baking tray, we're going to flatten them down slightly and pop some more popcorn on the top. And with the popcorn we have left, we're just going to pop a couple onto the top and flatten them down slightly. Then we're going to put those into the oven on gas mark 4 and 180 degrees for around about 12 to 15 minutes. So now they're fresh out of the oven, there's your toffee popcorn cookies. Enjoy.